We're taking a bike ride today. Coda was in the backpack. We're taking a scenic loop. We thought we'd share some of it. We have some photos from it that we'll share. And we have some photos or video of Coda in my backpack that we'll share.
Hi, this is Valley of Fire State Park. It's in Nevada. It actually is considered Nevada's first state park. It was dedicated in 1935. When it was dedicated, it was one of 4 parks that were all dedicated at the same time. But because this one had a special ceremony and kind of opened up early in 1934 on Easter, they consider this the first one in the Nevada State Park system.
Really think that looks like a person. The stairs, the top deck, that's where the neck is, and the person's facing that way. Neck, nose, hair, belly. Stairs are the arm. Anyway, that's what I think it looks like. Even looks like the eyelids are closed. And all the petroglyphs are right by the ear. Could even have a dog right behind him. I don't know if anybody else sees it, but I do. You won't be seen if you get in there.
Yeah. How's that? Come through those other openings.
Come on through.
You could even do a little video if you want.
I am.
Are you?
Yeah.
Should I go ahead?
You can go on. Let's see.
Although I'm probably totally in the dark.
I can't hardly see you. Yeah.
I'm going to go ahead.
Oh, he goes on to the other side. Let's see what we got here. Oh, there he is. That's a cool photo, too.
You know what? I never came over here to do the photo. I wonder how this would be.
Very cool.